How to edit name drop information on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the phone app on your phone. Over here, select Contacts from the bottom panel. On the top, you'll see your My Card contact. Select it to access your personal contact information. Now, at the top right, you'll see the Edit option. Select it to edit your contact information for creating a personalized contact poster. Suppose you want to change your first name to Ron. Tap on the first name to edit the existing name. As you are done, tap on the blue tick icon to confirm. Now, you'll see that your first name has been changed to Ron. You can also edit other details such as phone number, email address, birthday, and pronouns. Following these steps, you can easily edit name drop information on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.